আসসালামু আলাইকুম প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, আশা করি তোমরা সকলে ভালো আছো। আমি তোমাদের সামনে এখন একটি প্যারাগ্রাফ নিয়ে এসেছি। প্যারাগ্রাফের নাম ভিলেজ লাইফ অ্যান্ড সিটি লাইফ। চলুন এখন কথা না বাড়িয়ে শুরু করা যাক। People living in village experience a rural life, while those in towns and cities live a city life. Both have their own unique features with advantages and disadvantages. Rural life offers an open environment with fresh air and sunshine. Villages are generally quieter and have access to fresh vegetables, fish, and pure milk. However, modern facilities like advanced healthcare and education are often lacking in rural areas. City life, on the other hand, is man-made and fast-paced. It provides access to modern amenities like schools, colleges, hospitals, banks, and transportation. However, city dwellers often face problems like polluted air and water, leading to health issues. Both city and rural life have their ups and downs. Regardless of where someone lives, it's possible to lead a good life filled with happiness and peace. Ultimately, both types of communities depend on each other in various ways.